Her 7th birthday and the first grade. Grace, a very happy birthday to you from Nini and Papa. She is in the NAC.
All right, in Jasper, Missouri, Baylor Hensley turning 9 years old this year. Looks like she had some fun on the water this summer.
On to the teenage years. Taylor Paulson, now 13 years old. Taylor, a very happy birthday to you in Pittsburgh.
All right, a belated birthday wishes going out to Emily Meyer, who's now 19 years old in Sarcoxie.
Nick Johnson, he's celebrating his 36th. Nice catch there, Nick. I wonder if he was on the river when he grabbed that one, seeing as how Nick's from Oswego.
I like that picture. Yeah. And Barbara Watkins out in Moundville celebrating birthday number 69.
We've got a 14th anniversary for Ross and Charla King. Congratulations to Ross and Charla. They're celebrating in Columbus.
All right, great smile on that couple there. And let's see, Mr. Charles Frank celebrating his 85th birthday. And got a note here that said Charles had an anniversary with his wife, Susie, on Sunday. So, been a big week for the Franks. John Wren in Pittsburgh, happy birthday. And Richard Umpenauer celebrating another year wiser in Riverton.
David Bean, a happy 68th to David. He's in Thayer. Wayne Cosby is celebrating his 85th birthday. Mr. Cosby, a happy birthday in Oswego. And just so happens that Wayne's granddaughter right there, well, that's Amanda Steves. Well, her birthday is tomorrow. And Amanda is getting ready to celebrate her 33rd. So a very, very busy birthday week for Wayne, Amanda, and the rest of the family. Amanda, hey, Amanda, send us somebody track down Amanda, number one, wish her an early happy birthday today, and then snap a picture of Amanda, and then I'm going to show you where to send it into here in just a little bit. And that way we'll run Amanda twice. Shh,
that'd be
don't
cool.
Tell her.
And we might as well mention that
just take a picture of her and say, watch the KOM Morning News. It'll be just between you and me.
All right, Michael. All right, also we cannot forget Adam Radlin.
Never forget Adam.
Is in Scammon and will be a junior this fall. 17 years old for Adam, and Kay Malcolm turning 85 years old in Opolis, Kansas.
Okay, after you grab the picture of Amanda, here's where you can send it to. birthdays@komtv.com or birthdays@komnewsnow.com. But remember, don't tell Amanda why, just tell her to watch the KOM Morning News tomorrow on her actual birthday. And don't forget to tell her grandpa birthday or happy birthday as well. Now, with all that being said, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
Hey, Michael.
What?
After they take that picture of Amanda, why don't they go ahead and sign her up for the KOM Birthday Club? It's
marvelous
easy to do.
idea. Now,
easy to do.
Oh, my question though. Okay, so I've got the picture of Amanda, right? And I've sent it in so we can celebrate Amanda's birthday tomorrow. But then I go to KOM News. Where do I go to sign up for the birthday club, Tanya?
KOMnewsnow.com.
Oh my gosh, I was almost right.
Yeah, just click on the birthdays link, and once you get signed up for that KOM Birthday Club, you will also be getting special deals from local businesses.
Probably ask Amanda's permission before you sign her up.